Hey guys, welcome back to Soransh Art. My name is Soransh Kowal and I hope that you're all doing well. Today I'll be talking about drawing from reference pictures. This will going to be a very short half an hour practice drawings that only concentrates on proportions and values. For the first drawing, I've taken this hand gesture picture as my reference. Starting with the rough sketching, I have drawn the basic shapes very loosely as this is the part where you get a hold on your proportions. After I'm happy with my proportions, then I move forward to drawing the final outlines. I generally follow two-stage workflow which I've also talked about in my previous videos. For these practice drawings, you don't need to get into details as these are just for practice, to improve your drawing skills, to understand proportions, etc. You can leave at the drawing part only, but if you wish, you can also hatch and shade your drawing like I did to understand the tonal values. The goal here is not to make it look realistic or anything, but just to understand how lights and shadows works. For the next drawing, I have selected this beautiful picture of a girl. I selected this picture because I like the emotion on her face and her pose. I'm definitely gonna try to capture her emotion in my sketch as well. Let's see how it goes. After observing the basic structures, I dive right into the drawing, the rough sketch. Pro tip, make sure you develop a habit of drawing very lightly and loosely in your early stages. This will help you to keep your canvas clean and later help you with the line width as well. As I mentioned earlier, the goal is not to replicate or draw realistic drawings, but to understand what we are drawing, to have the correct proportions, etc. For instance, a general rule states that the thick lines represents meal or heaviness in the drawing, whereas the thin lines represent the lightness and softness in a drawing. For the final piece, I am going to extend my time from 30 minutes to 1 hour. I've also selected this amazing skull picture. I highly encourage you to get your reference pictures printed or have a screen displaying an equal size of the picture as of your drawing. And by now you can tell what I'm doing here. Drawing the skull was quite fun as it has many things going on with it. Good contrast value, good highlights. I'm using a General's charcoal pencil and a white charcoal pencil on Strathmore Toontan paper for this sketch. For blending, I'm using paper stumps and cotton buds. Comment down below if you would like a video like this on imaginative drawing. It is also a very interesting topic as many beginners fail to draw from their imaginations. There we can talk about how you can draw from your own imagination and be very confident about it. That's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. This helps the channel to grow a lot. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you and I'll meet you guys in the next one.